mode of designing this ID card stuff. So you click on insert, then shape, round rectangle, then you reshape the object and the background. But today I want to make a background effect to my ID card. First thing what I will do is to just click on fill. I want to use a gradient background, like using different types of color. And then fill, then gradient. I can choose any one of these for my background, or if I don't want to use that, I can only download the background from internet, a picture background from internet. If it's a picture background I wanted to use, select on pictures, then you click on offline mode or insert, then you go back to where you kept the background, where you save the background, or in your download files. So like this one, I want to use this format, the background for my ID card. So that's the one, how you can change the background or apply a background effect to your ID card. I can also use a texture format, a system format that comes with a system. I can use that. I can also go for more texture, maybe if I have it online or from pictures files also. So I can also go to my storage device where I kept some of the background. As you can see, as one. I can use this one for my ID as one, for you to change the background of ID card. So let me just bring another stuff of an ID card. So I wanted to design another one today using the portrait form. The last one is a landscape. I wanted to use a portrait form for today. All I need, but this one will include the logo and some other stuff that's necessary. As from this, I wanted to use another form of background. Let me just draw another shape or insert another shape here. So I wanted to use this shape or this one. So I can draw it over of this, and I can change the background to black. You can see I can choose another one like this one. Now I can place it here, and I can rotate to any side of my choice, you just make it perfect. Then I can change the color to yellow. You can see. So now I wanted to write name, but before then, let us just see how to group the objects together. First, you need to click on this, then you hold down the control key, then you click, then right click, then you can click on group. As you can see, the object is grouped together. So if I'm not do that, I will not able to move the objects together. As you can see before, the object is here. So let us just start writing text. But before I can write a text to this shape, I need to ungroup back. So ungroup. Then I wanted to use a word art to write the name of the company into my ID card stuff. So let us just put Easy Tech Studio. That's the name. So I can change the font here. I can change the font here. As you can see, I can reduce the size into 14. Then I wanted to input logo. I want to add my logo to it. Click on insert, then pictures. I have my logo on my drive, so I can add it. Scroll down, then where is it? There is it. Yeah, as you can see, here's my logo. Let me just position it square. So we place it at the top. I can change this lettering like this. So highlight, then you remove the line space between. Can remove. So that's it. My logo has been added. Or if I don't want it like that, I can place my logo at the top of my design, then the name at the bottom. I can hide the name at the bottom. Then the mode of ID card. Maybe it's a staff or student or director, depending on how you wanted to do it. So now this one, I just only had a name. You can say it's a student ID card. So Abdul Wasir Maruf. As you can see, the name is going beyond my objects. So mine is Maruf. Students. Gender is a male. That's it. Then if I wanted to add a registration number, I can put it there. ACT/2020/ICTD. That should be basic, /002. That's registration number. Then you highlight together, you remove the line space. Then you can change the font into any font. You can select any font you have on the system, but you just make sure that the font you wanted to use is a readable font. Let me use ultra. You see this font is not shown clearly, so let me use another one. Let me use this X, then I can reduce the size. This font is also the same thing with the previous one. It's not clearly. We only use that one for heading. As you can see, this one clearly now. This one is clear. So now I wanted to add a passport photograph. A passport photograph. A passport photograph. So all I need is to just space down. You just press enter, so that there will be a more space for you to place your passports. Insert them pictures, then you can go to pictures, select anyone, then you reduce the size, as you can see. Then you go to make it square, and you can place it here. Then on ID card, some different. We can only add barcode. You can only add a barcode to our ID card. If you wanted to add it, so that the ID card can look beautiful more than this. So I can also go back to pictures, then I can look for barcode, but here I don't save it here, but I can find it on my hard drive. You can see this one, so I make it square at the top, so I'll place it like this. On this one, after finished the front page, you can also add the back, but the mode that you can use to add the back, instead of I will draw another object, I can also use this one. So the way I can use this is that I will hold down the control key, then right click to drop. You see this one is not working. I can use another form by Control D, duplicate. So duplicate. I wanted to do the back side, so then at the back side we normally write stuff like this. It says this is to certify that the person whose photograph or passports, anyone photograph, can use passport, and you can also use the photograph, and the name appear on this identity card. Identity card is a student of company name Tech Studio. If lost or found, you just put it like that. If lost or found, return to the nearest police station or the address below. That address below should be your company address or any address that they can find your business or your company. And then the next one at the back is authorized signature. You should add authorized signature. The authorized signature it can be the secretary or the chairman of the company. Or any there. So now I wanted to save it. Into my documents. Ctrl S. I can put it on my document. I can also put it on what? Any area I wish to keep my file. But for me, I normally keep it on my hard drive for proper protections, so that nobody can access to my file just anyhow they can. So then I can give the file name, my IDs. So Ctrl S. So my IDs. Thanks for watching.